In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning AI images fast using the fastest model of Adobe Firefly. Open your web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get exactly where we need to go. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press Enter. You should see the official Adobe result near the top. Click the Adobe Firefly link to go straight to the Firefly homepage. Always double check that the address is firefly.adobe.com so you know you're on the official site. Once you're in, look for the text-to-image tool. That's where we'll write a prompt that tells the AI what to create. A clear, vivid prompt makes a big difference in both speed and quality. For this example, type a prompt like this. A stunning double exposure portrait of an African woman in profile, her silhouette filled with a warm golden landscape. This kind of description gives the model a subject, a style, and a mood, which helps it produce strong results quickly. If you want to personalize it, you can add details such as lighting, color palette, or the type of camera look you want, but keep it concise and specific. Before generating, switch the model to Firefly Image 4 Ultra. You'll find the model selector in the interface, usually near the top or in a sidebar. Choose Firefly Image 4 Ultra because it's designed to be the fastest option while delivering crisp, modern-looking images. Using the right model saves time and reduces the number of re-renders you'll need. Now click Generate. Firefly will process your prompt and produce results, typically multiple variations. Give it a moment and then review what comes back. If the composition is close but not perfect, refine your text slightly and generate again. For example, you could add soft rim lighting, fine film grain, or high contrast silhouette to steer the look while still keeping the essence of the original prompt. Small adjustments are often all it takes to dial in the exact style you want. As you compare the outputs, pay attention to the details that work, the balance between the portrait and the landscape, the warmth of the color tones, and how clean the silhouette edge looks. Firefly Image 4 Ultra is optimized for speed, so you can iterate rapidly without losing momentum. That's it. You've searched for Adobe Firefly, opened the official site, crafted a clear prompt, switched to the fastest model, and generated your image. Repeat the prompt and generate cycle as needed, and you'll be producing stunning AI visuals in no time.